Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to run Python code with your command from terminal. Very easily you can write a code of any kind of text editor and you execute this code in your command line. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. So just I write a simple code using my Sublime text editor. That one is my Sublime text editor. Just simply I write one code here. Print double quote hello research rock, and just I save this one. I save this code in my desktop only. Demo.py save. So look at this code, it comes here automatically. So now I want to execute this code using my terminal. So I open my terminal here, CLEA, clear the screen, and now I check where exactly this code is available on desktop, and I am currently in root. So just enter here cd desktop ls, the code is available here. So now I type here Python demo.py, enter. So look at this, output are generated here, hello research rocks. Again I add some another word here, again open this code, enter here, and again type here print double quote welcome to Research Rocks YouTube channel. Save this one, again I call here Python demo.py, enter. So look at this, output are generated here, hello research rocks, welcome to Research Rocks YouTube channel. I am putting here simple logic for the print statement, but you can add here any types of logic like addition, multiplication, or your huge amount of code, and you can use this one. Enter the particular directory, particular location, and then the code are execute here using Python code name directly. I am type here demo.py, so you can add here accordingly your scripting name and execute the code on bash file, means command from. It's very simple. You can do same process and execute your Python code. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.